Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's double upload, we're gonna talk a bit about trading opportunities and a few trades that I want to share with you guys. So let's hop onto the computer and I'll show you guys a few graphs on Footbin, and then we'll be back on the PS4 to take those trades. So as you can see here guys, these are just tips and tricks that I've learned throughout the year. As you guys can see, what I was talking about, I wanted to show you guys that future stars and a lot of cards are currently undervalued. They're not at their current price that they should be at. And the reason here is because of the icon swaps. Now, every time icon swaps come out, cards have a tendency of dropping to prices that they shouldn't be. Now, I'll show you guys an example here. Let's take Team of the Week 14, right? The last set of tokens that were available were on December 26th. This was the Team of the Week right before. So, as you guys can see here, let's open Mo Salah, for example. Mo Salah, 18 December, he came out. I'll show you guys 2019. Just a second here. 2019, December... Let's take 31st, all right? So as you guys can see here, December 25th, he's at 700k, right? About 710k. So he kept going up because of Weekend League. And then immediately, even during Weekend League, he just kept dropping. Now, if I show you guys 2020, January 20th, for example. Now, around here, people start getting their tokens, right? So he keeps going higher, and just keeps going higher from there. And this is not the only card. I can show you guys, for example, De Bruyne, KDB, right before icon swaps, he was trading 2019, December 31st. All right, so this is when the icon swaps drop, right? 26th. He's chilling around 770k. He goes up to around 800 because of Weekend League. But then immediately, even on a Saturday, he keeps getting sold off. Sunday, he's down to roughly 700. So he lost about 80k. But if you just zoom out to, for example, the week later, the week after this, you guys can see from here, people get their tokens. Monday, they start buying him back. Goes up to the same price. Now, it's not just Team of the Week 14. If we take, for example, Team of the Week 15, which came out only a day before tokens drop, if you take a very meta card, right? Neymar. Now, December 25th, he comes out of around 2 mil, right? 26th, tokens drop 1.8 mil. He drops all the way to 1.5 during Weekend League. Now, it's very important noting that this is during Weekend League. So if it wasn't Weekend League, he would have dropped even more. Right after Weekend League, people start working towards getting their tokens. Sunday, a full week. Sunday, he starts rising from 1.5, never looks back, just keeps going higher and higher. So, I wanted to show you guys. Now, let's go Team of the Week. I want to show you guys what's currently happening with future stars, right? So future stars, let's take Felix, for example, who's a very, very expensive card. I did expect him to drop, but not a ton like that so fast. Sunday, Weekend League is over, 2.6. There you go, 2.4. Right now, chilling 2.35. Same thing is happening with every single card. So they're kind of undervalued. Now, if you look at, for example, let's take Dembele. Dembele, cheapest striker from Future Stars. Saturday, he's at 160k. Sunday, 150. Today, 130. Now, those cards are extremely hard to pack. The pack weight is awful. Therefore, I do expect those cards to rebound quite a bit. So let's move back to the PS4 and I'll show you guys how I'm going to take those trades if the prices are okay right now. So as I'm seeing three sales here. There's Tellus. Yeah, I bought this for around 235k. Martinez already, Pereira, so let's list the rest. And by the way, Pereira in yesterday's upload I showed I was buying him for around 115k, so that's about 10k a card. I've got quite a few others on my transfer list. So let's have a look at Dembele here. I really do expect this card to rise a ton, so let's have a look. 130k. I'm just gonna grab one. Now, he definitely is the cheapest future star striker. A lot of people would want to try him, and his stats are pretty much really good. The physicals are extremely good on this card. If you slap a hunter on him, he becomes a very good striker. So let's put him in our transfer list, and we'll move on to the next one, who's gonna be Lisandro Martinez. Now I've got a lot of Lisandro Martinez because I really believe this card is gonna rise a ton come reward day, and I really did miss a good chance, a good opportunity to buy him when he was around 65k. At the moment, he's about 69 if I'm not mistaken. Let's have a look if we can grab at least one. So I'm gonna grab this one. Let's send him to the transfer list as well. Now he links very well with Tagliafico. He also links with Messi. If you're using him as a CDM and Messi as a right wing. And he has amazing stats as well. So next up, it's gonna be Max Aarons. I've got at least one, if not two, of him. So let's have a look. What's his price currently? Okay, so he's quite low at the moment. This is definitely the cheapest future star right back from the Prem. So definitely a lot of people would want to try him out just because of that. And if you look at his stats are really, really good. The agility, the balance on this card is just insane. With an anchor, this is a very, very, very good card. He's got 3-star, high medium work rates, which is ideal for a right back in my opinion. Next up, I really wanted to buy Emerson as well. Now Emerson is quite expensive compared to the other two, but he links with Rodrigo, who's currently in Future Stars. He links with quite a lot of players. He's gonna strong link to Militao as well, which a lot of people like using. But most importantly, do I have the right Emerson here, or did he just rise? Okay, I don't think I've got the right Emerson here, so let me just find the right one. Yeah, it must be him. Yeah, there you go. So I'm sorry for that, guys. I'm half asleep at the moment. So most importantly for him is the fact that a lot of people like to use Diego Carlos and Juan Jesus. So he's gonna soft link to them, which is pretty good in my opinion. 163, very good price. I'd be happy to get him at that price. I do think the risk reward for those guys, like basically in my opinion, how I buy those cards, especially promo cards that are still in packs, I look at the risk reward, right? Now the risk on this card, like how much can it drop more? 10, 20k, but the reward is huge. This card can be 200k come weekend league. And why wouldn't it be? 3-star, high medium, right back from La Liga with Brazilian links. Look at the pace, 89 pace, 83 defending, 89 physical, which is insane for a right back. And good agility, good balance, good ball control. So overall, very, very good card. I might even, since I have him now, I might even give him a try on my team first. I'm currently using Headliner Semedo. Now The only reason why I did not buy more of them, because as you guys can see here, I've got quite a lot of Lisandro Martinez. I've got another Dembele here. I've got Ricardo Pereira. I've got Martinez, Max Aarons, and I've got some more sitting there in my club. So I didn't want to just go broke. I only have 80k left, So one more thing, if you guys compared this promo to, for example, Footmas. Now, Footmas started as a dead promo, right? So EA just, kept on showing you guys that, showing us that Footmas is kind of what it is, in the beginning. But then slowly, gradually, they started bringing better and better cards. At that point, they made so many people take wrong decisions into doing wrong and bad value SBCs, such as Keane that we have at the moment. For me, even Alphonso Davies is not a very good SBC value-wise. And then when the good players came out, like Mendy, for example, a lot of people did not have the coins. So I do expect with the current upgrade packs that EA will release better SBCs coming up within the next few days or week. They for sure want to grab all the fodders that you guys packed from the upgrade packs as well. So I do expect that, good SBCs will come out. Therefore, if you guys want to invest in fodders, I heavily recommend doing so. Maybe not going broke on them, but at least investing about 10-15% of the coins that you guys have. It can come out very handy if you guys want to complete an SBC or even sell it for some profit. Why not? One more thing also. Now, Road to the Final cards are starting to get popular back again now. I wanted to show you guys Neres. Neres is a guy that basically they're out of Champions League, but they're in the Europa League right now. So this card is gonna convert to a Europa League card, maybe in a week or so, if not 2 weeks max. Now, there's quite some hype around Neres at the moment. If you look at the card is really, really good. With a few upgrades, it would become even better. So I would say if you guys have some spare coins just sitting there in your club, it might be a good shout just to grab maybe one of him. He's 5-star skill moves, 3-star weak foot, but this card with a few upgrades will become a very, very good card. And I have one in my club that I bought about a month ago. I'm gonna grab just another here just to make sure that if in case he rises, I've got two of him, because I might keep one for my squad. Now Ajax is pretty good, very good team, and they have a good chance of going further. Was this fresh? No. So basically Neres here, very good investment in my opinion. He might be around 60k come game day, and at that time I'll evaluate if I want to sell him or if I want to keep him for the upgrade. Now definitely sell him in the hype, if it's before the game or if it's after the game, right after if they win the game. Definitely this is the move. Do not hold on to him. Those cards, whenever they upgrade, they just drop. Now there's also, last video I spoke about the informs, right? With the mid-icon SBC coming up, a lot of SBCs require informs. We saw it with Alphonso Davies. Now Nacho, I've got Nacho, I bought during lightning rounds. I've got Guerrero, De Jong, Henderson. Now guys, please do look in your club. There's a lot of 81s, 82 and lower, like below 83. Just get rid of those informs. They're so high. I do expect EA at some point, they're just waiting for a good team of the week to maybe drop the team of the week SBC. They know team of the weeks are currently out of budget. They're not at the prices that they should be. They're very, very expensive, especially lower rated ones. A lot of lower rated ones, they really surprise me when I look at the price. They go for maybe 15-17k. That's really expensive for this year. So in my opinion, just get rid of those and invest in the higher rated ones. Definitely they're better value for your coins. Now an 84 rated goes for around 17, 18k, while 81s they go for around 14k. So why not just put that extra 2, 3k and get the higher rated one for when the right time comes? You guys can make quite some profits. So this is another example of trading. Now, if you guys appreciated the content today, please leave a thumbs up and let me know if you guys want me to continue doing these kind of videos. I don't mind it. I really enjoy doing them. So let me know if you guys are interested. So I'll keep posting them. And also let me know down below in the comments if there's another subject or another thing that you guys would like to see regarding trading, regarding gameplay, whatever. And I'll make sure I upload this. So for now, guys, have fun and please leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.